Friends, welcome to my channel Aparna Arts. In this video you will learn easy and new painting techniques. In the end you will see my handmade clay flowers which you can order, buy and gift. If interested in painting can join my online professional courses. I teach oils, acrylic, tanjore, 3D murals, 3D flowers, oragata flowers, types of roses, faces and many more. My details are in this video and below this video in description. You are seeing easy painting one stroke leaves with round brush. This I am painting on a good quality drawing sheet. You can paint these leaves on fabric cloth also. If you mix medium number 1, then you can paint on the cloth. I have painted 7 varieties of leaves. In this video, taken sap green color, and to make it little light you can mix lemon yellow, and to make it little dark you can mix little black. Mixing lemon yellow you will get a light green shade, and by mixing little black you will get a darker shade of a leaf. And these lines also I have mixed little black, or you can mix little mauve. As you practice these varieties of leaves you can use with different flowers, and these are very easy. Our freehand painting course book with notes and techniques, if interested you can buy. To see my live tutorial videos and my freehand painting tutorial videos to learn more. Once you practice and learn freehand painting, the painting becomes very easy. This is ribbon stroke with round brush. Second painting, blade painting. I have taken burnt sienna color on the tile and now the blade, and with the blade I am taking the color. Children, kindly don't try this art. Whatever colors you need for the painting just put on the tile. You can paint with acrylics or fabric colors. You can paint on canvas or imported sheet. Draw the design with pencil before painting it. This is a creative design. The painting you can make a beautiful home decor. For flower, I have taken red and yellow. My handmade clay flowers which you can order and buy. These are napkin holders, incense cum candle holders, and these are paperweights and toothpick holder. Those who are interested can order and buy. Details are in the description below this video. See my other videos for my professional exclusive artworks. I take order works for all professional artworks. Like, share, comment and subscribe my channel, friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.